I don't care anymore about things I used to know. It's much harder now.
I'm Norman Alston, Engageable Designs, lead teacher, founder, visionary, elder of the community. Love my people, glad to be here.
My name is Marilyn Alston, and I am the registrar of Saturday Math Academy.
Hi, my name is Zakara McCullough. I work for Engageable Designs. I currently work as a teacher in the 2nd to 5th grade classroom here.
Hi, my name is Christina Hunter. I'm with the K2 students with Engageables.
Hi, my name is April Kubali, K2 teacher for Engageables.
I think I should.
What's happening, everybody? My name is Anderson. I'm the CVO, Chief Vibe Officer of, Saturday Math Academy. I make it happen. You might see me moving and grooving, shaking and baking. You know what it is.
Looking up at the peak, but it's never been so steep. Let's try to make it now. And I know it's been done, but it's hard to understand. I just want to do it, but could I do it? No.
It's always really fun to see my daughter engage with other students within the community and learning about math and theory and just having a good time.
Prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light.
I'm Jordan Brown. I'm a middle school teacher at Engageable Designs now. I went to Saturday Math Academy way back when I was in elementary school. I've always loved math a lot.
I think I should.
My name is Juliana Walters, and I'm a middle school teacher at Engageable Designs. I am currently in 12th grade. I'm 17 years old, and I started off as a student in this program when I was in 4th grade. I just think it's really important to invest time in these kids to show them that they are worth investing in, so that in the future, that will inspire them to keep investing in themselves.
I wish I could make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would.
We have to gamify everything for this generation, but it has to be something that's very substantively clear and real.
Make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would.
My daughter's been a part of this program for going on her 2nd year now. It's been great for her because Saturday mornings are lost time. And for those of us that are old enough, remember, we spent our time Saturday morning cartoons. My daughter has a place where she can go, learn, hone her math skills, which is one of the few areas where she really has challenges. It's just an amazing opportunity.